Affiliate marketing has become one of the most popular and lucrative ways to make money online. With the potential to earn passive income from promoting other people's products or services, it's no wonder that many beginners are attracted to this business model. However, navigating the world of affiliate marketing can be overwhelming for those who are just starting out. That's why every beginner needs this ultimate guide to affiliate marketing for guaranteed success. Understand what affiliate marketing is. Before diving into affiliate marketing, it is crucial to understand what it actually entails. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals promote products or services on behalf of a merchant and earn a commission for each sale made through their unique referral link. Learn why affiliate marketing is worth pursuing. There are several reasons why affiliate marketing is worth pursuing as a beginner. Low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't need substantial capital or inventory to get started in affiliate marketing. All you need is an internet connection and basic tools like a website or social media accounts. Passive income potential. Once you set up your affiliate links and start driving traffic, you can earn passive income while you sleep. As long as people continue purchasing through your links, you'll keep earning commissions. Flexibility. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility in terms of working hours and location independence. You have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world at any time that suits your schedule. Identify your niche. Finding your niche is essential when starting with affiliate marketing because it allows you to focus on promoting products that align with your interests and expertise. By choosing a niche that resonates with both yourself and potential customers, you increase your chances of success. Research profitable affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer higher commissions than others, while some have better conversion rates. It's crucial to research and choose profitable affiliate programs that align with your niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, quality products or services, and good affiliate support. Build a strong online presence. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to establish a strong online presence. This includes creating a professional website or blog where you can showcase your chosen niche and promote relevant products or services. Additionally, utilizing social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter can help expand your reach and attract potential customers. Drive targeted traffic. Having an attractive website with high-quality content is not enough. You also need to drive targeted traffic to it. There are several strategies you can employ to generate traffic, such as search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media advertising, email marketing campaigns, and influencer collaborations. Optimize conversion rates. Driving traffic is only half the battle. Converting that traffic into actual sales is equally important. To optimize conversion rates, create compelling content. Craft engaging product reviews or informative articles that provide value to your audience while subtly promoting the product. Utilize call to actions, CTAs. Incorporate clear CTAs throughout your content, directing readers towards making a purchase. Use persuasive copywriting techniques. Employ proven copywriting techniques such as scarcity tactics or highlighting the benefits of the product, service being promoted. Track your results and adapt. Tracking your results is crucial for understanding what works and what doesn't in your affiliate marketing efforts. Utilize analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor key metrics such as website traffic sources, click-through rates on affiliate links, conversion rates from different channels, etc., which will allow you to make data-driven decisions moving forward. Conclusion. In conclusion, this ultimate guide provides beginners with essential steps for guaranteed success in affiliate marketing. Understand what affiliate marketing entails. Learn why affiliate marketing is worth pursuing. Identify your niche. Research profitable affiliate programs. Build a strong online presence. Drive targeted traffic to your website or blog. Optimize conversion rates through compelling content and persuasive techniques. Track results and adapt accordingly. By following these steps, beginners can lay a solid foundation for their affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, patience, and continuous learning. So take action now and start building your path towards guaranteed success in the world of affiliate marketing.